Meaning of extrovert.
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 Extrovert. An extrovert is a person who is outgoing, sociable, and enjoys being around others. They are energized by social interaction and tend to be talkative and expressive. Extroverts thrive in a busy and stimulating environment and may find solitude draining. They often enjoy being the center of attention and are comfortable in new and challenging situations. Overall, extroverts are characterized by their love of people, their outgoing nature, and their ability to connect with others easily.